This is Clive Fairweather, fundraiser for combat stress in Scotland, and raising funds means raising awareness, and that's what we want to do, is to raise awareness that Hollybush House exists to help those with mental health problems who are ex-services. I gave a telephone number out earlier, which is the Hollybush itself, which is 01292 561300. But failing that, I'm on Brick FM 103. Telephone number, go on, get a pen or a pencil, 01835 823 503, or if you're online, all lowercase, Brick FM at brickfm.co.uk. Say that again, all lowercase, Brick FM at brickfm.co.uk. Producer Jesse Rae. And there were lots of Rays who had distinguished characters, distinguished services as officers and soldiers in the King's Own Scottish Borderers. Up the Rays.